Airbnb. Hope they have good Wi-Fi. Huh? What is that? Ah! Wait a second. This isn't my house. Where the heck am I? Huh? I don't like this place. I'm getting out of here. What was that? All right. There's definitely something in here, but I'm not sticking around to meet it. Dang it! It's no use. I can't be stuck in here. There has to be a way to... Ah! Oh my god! Get off me! Who the heck are you?
I am Pooh.
Who?
I am Pooh. Pooh is me. Feed me.
Jeez, okay. I'll feed you. If you let me out.
Pooh will free you, but just to feed me.
Hey, how did you...
Feed me. Kitchen. Now.
Fine, let's go. But then I'm getting out of here.
Carry me. Pooh must be carried.
Why?
Carry me.
All right, whatever gets this done faster. Okay, what do you want?
Feed me all.
Seriously?
Feed me all.
All right, there we go. And that's all.
Pooh is still hungry.
That's all you have in the house. It's not my fault.
It's playtime.
Ah, get off me!
Answer.
Oh, good. Maybe someone that can let me out. Hello? Anyone there? Huh, just my luck. Well, so long, creepy house, but I gotta... No! Are you serious? I thought I could leave. Seriously? Let me out of here!
Hello.
What are you? Not another one.
I am Paulina.
So, like Pooh, but a girl?
Girl Pooh.
Well, you don't look as dangerous as Pooh.
I am Paulina. Feed me.
Not you too.